tonight?
I had so much fun. Playing in an all-star game, you're going to have fun. You get to meet new guys all around the country, and it's just fun playing with those guys.
You have a little nervousness when you first step on the floor out there?
Not really, because I knew once I hit the floor, I could just have fun and play the game of basketball that I always do.
Talk about you and Derek being roommates. You guys talk about next year's team, playing with each other?
Yeah, we did talk about next year's team. We wondered if Wiggins going to come. That's why we talked about that. And I found out Derek, he's a pretty funny guy. And that's a nice roommate.
You have a recruiting pitch for Wiggins? If you can talk to him, you have a recruiting pitch for him?
We need you down in the Big Blue Nation to get number 9. That's what I got for him.
Dominique, what was it like coming out here? It came in a little late, but what was it like coming out here and playing with a future teammate, and then also playing, around with a bunch of fans in the stands?
It was great. The Kentucky fans always support you. I loved it that they all came down here to support me and Derek. And playing with Derek, he's a special guy. He can dribble the ball for a big guy, and he can shoot the ball. Not a lot of big guys can do that.
What did you think of some of the other guys that were on your team tonight, particularly some of the Indiana guys?
All of them were great. I didn't know they had so many freshmen coming in, but all of them were great guys, and it was fun playing with them.
How would you describe your reception when you got announced tonight?
It was pretty amazing, and that's just a little bit. I'm waiting for Big Blue Madness, and get announced for that. It's going to be crazy.